felt beaten down. I was looking for a calling, felt lonely in a crowd. I was searching for the answers, too blind to see the signs. He was always by my side. He shed his light and picked me up. I'm safe in his arms. I found my bliss in the greatest love there is. The greatest love there is. I saw a ray of hope, and he led me out the dark. God's forever faithful, he'll always lift you up. I was looking for the answers, too blind to see the signs. He was with me all this time. No, he never left my side. He shed his light and picked me up. I'm safe in his arms. I found my bliss in the greatest love there is. The greatest love there is. The greatest love. The greatest love there is. Greatest love. The greatest love there is. The greatest love. He shed his light and picked me up. I'm safe in his arms. I found my bliss in the greatest love there is. The greatest love there is. The greatest love. The greatest love.
And so, as we have no plans to go away for now, thought it would be great to give someone else a home as well. Meet Lottie. We took her from an animal shelter, and looks like Snoopy is coming around to the idea of sharing his house with the cat.
Hey, Lottie. Snoopy. Lottie. Your little Lottie. Lottie. Where's your little Lottie? Yes. You're washing, Lottie? You're washing? You're washing hair? Lottie? Oh, she's boring, isn't she? She's a very boring girl.
The main reason why I decided to host her was because of having mice in the cottage, and as I am all about dealing with things in the most natural ways possible, thought I could give her a job in return for food and shelter.
Lottie.
Such a cutie, isn't it? At first she was a bit suspicious of everything and everyone, but soon after looked like she enjoyed to be here. It only took her a couple of days to occupy my chair and feel all cozy.
You like my chair? Yes. More. Aren't you beautiful? She's gorgeous, aren't you, Lottie? Yeah, you have pink ears. Did you know that? No, don't be silly. Lottie. 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 Hello, darling. Oh, would you? I'm trying to have some sleep. Okay then, bye-bye.
As expected, I kept her indoors for a few days, but of course, cats on countryside should be real country cats and spend more time outdoors. So yes, eventually I let her out, and although it wasn't the best day weather-wise, she seemed to be happy to explore. Also, I put her safe space, her box, right there, in case she wants to hide.
Oh, yeah. Nice cloud towel wash. Oh, look at you. What breed are you? Oh my god. Snoopy. Oh my god, Lordy. Lordy. Look at you, beautiful. Aren't you beautiful? Oh. Time for breakfast. Is it time for breakfast, doggy? Snoopy. Be nice and warm. Good boy.
Guys, you said you wanted to see me more in the videos because lately I've been just filming stuff but not myself, so here I am. I'm making an effort and filming myself and not feeling awkward at all. Doggy is with me and that's all I need to feel happy. Even though that trip is not to like Morocco or Vietnam or somewhere like that, but I mean even the shortest trip with Snoopy next to me is the best trip ever. Yeah, so we are going to, if you can hear me, we are going to town because I want to check out their baking ovens. So yeah, and halfway to town I am stopping normally because the signal, Wi-Fi signal is much better than at my cottage because I'm only using my hotspot. It cost me 12 euros a month, can you believe it? It's 3 euros every week, and so that comes up to 12 euros a month, whereas in Spain I paid 20 euros for 25 gigabytes. Can you believe it? It's crazy. Yeah, so I guess Latvia is the cheapest one for the internet if you are okay with the hotspot. Now, it took me a while to find the right oven, but I finally got it. Then I also needed this as the toilet got blocked, along with more fire-resistant clay, which will all be used in no time, whilst building the wood stove. And this is my new baking oven. Also, I had bought this one ages ago for the farm, but it will sure be great here, as the old gas hob thing is giant, like a monster occupying so much space. Plus only one out of the 4 hobs is working, and the bottom part, which is supposed to be for baking, is broken. So yeah. Now that I had bought my new toys, I need to build a unit. for the kitchen. Because we are not gonna cook inside the living room, aren't we? It was a gorgeous sunny day, but a bit cold for working outside. But one shouldn't worry, especially if they have such an amazing barn. Completed with a workshop, wood supplies and electricity. Lots of space where to move around, store items or even display them in a nice manner so that it looks alive, used and well enjoyed. So. Okay, let's do the first cuts, which is I need 9 of those, which will hold the whole structure together. Let's see what material I have. What I have bought already, no need to go and buy new material. This one will be perfect, just perfect. Can't wait to stuck in. That's my van bed waiting to be put back in a van. Okay guys, and that's 2 parts done. This one, like this. And then I need to work on the other parts now. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need about